Good morning students, I am Manija S. Varghese, lecturer of Emmanuel Arasa College of Pharmacy. Today we are going to see about OTC drug. OTC means over the counter. Then content, what are the OTC drug, prescription and non-prescription types, OTC drugs used for the different OTC drugs safe and effective, side effect advantages, most commonly examples. Then what are OTC drugs? OTC drugs means drugs that are safe and effective for use by the general public without a prescriptions are defined as over-the-counter drugs. Some OTC medicines relieve achilles, pains and itchings. Some prevent or cure disease like tooth decay and others. Prescription and non-prescription drugs. Here drugs are classified as prescription drugs and OTC drugs, so they are non-prescribed drugs. There are currently 10,000 prescription products were sold in the US. Prescription drugs are available only by recommendations for an authorized health such as a physician. Non-prescription drugs are also available other than the pharmacists, do not require approval by the physician. Prescriptions and OTC drugs have been viewed differently by the public since the classification. Then generally the public views OTC drugs are as a minimally effective and safe and prescription drugs are more potent and frequently diagnosed. Then types of OTC drugs: internal analgesic and salicylate, therapeutic consideration, analgesic action, anti-inflammatory effect, antipyretic effect. Then side effect. Are OTC drugs safe and effective? OTC drugs are approved by a US Food and Drug Administrations and have proven to be safe and effective. However, recently, 1992, the Food and Drug Administrative has branded over 4,000 ingredients from 7 categories of OTC over-the-counter product. Then side effect of OTC drugs: nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, etc. Advantage: the use of OTC drugs allows the patients to have a greater access to a variety of drugs available in the market to treat some medicinal conditions. Law issues: self-treat, self-manage, health treatments are not needed. Then disadvantages: fewer complaints, more difficult to study a drug effective, misdiagnosis occurs, etc. Most commonly OTC drugs are used for pain 78%, cough, cold 52%, heartbeat, stomach 45%, constipation and diarrhea 37%, skin problems then 10%. Some examples for OTC drugs: helps break up of mucus, drink lots of fluids if you take medicines. Then Tylenol and ibuprofen help reduce fever, child and adult. Antihistamines taken by mouth. Antihistamines are taken little or non-sleepiness. Then etc. Cetirizine is allergy tablet. Antihistamine that cases little or non-sleepiness. Then etc. Then OTC drugs reference: the list of approved drugs product with therapeutic equivalence equations in organic book. It is supposed to use in a pharmacy all the time in the USA. Thank you.